Good morning, students. My screen is visible to all of you. Yes.
Yes,
Achal,
ma'am.
Ashwini, Mandeep, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Okay. So we are starting with the VLSI design. In the last class, we have completed the particular CMOS designing using particular NAND gate, NOR gate, compound gate. If you have any confusion, do ask me. Otherwise, we'll move further. ठीक है. सबसे पहला सर्किट तो अपना ये था CMOS इन्वर्टर का, right? In that particular one, what you come to know, whenever any connection of NMOS or PMOS is in a series, so they used to form AND operation. And whenever there is a parallel connections, they are supposed to form OR operation. Fine. So ये NAND का है, इसके आगे हम एक इन्वर्टर अगर लगा देंगे, so that is going to act as AND gate using CMOS circuit. The next is NOR circuit. Just we do the vice versa operation as we did in the case of NAND, in case of NOR. So N को हमने parallel में connect कर दिया है and series में PMOS को कर दिया है. Fine. And if we add one more inverter along with this, then it is going to be act as a OR gate. Fine. Compound gate की जहाँ तक बात आती है, suppose I am taking one example of A, B plus CD का bar. So in that particular case, what is going to be happen? First, I need to do a AND operation with A and B and C and D, and then OR operation, and after all operation, inverter is going to be act. So particularly, यहाँ पर this is a final structure of this compound gate. And one among all the circuitry like logic gate or compound gate, one question is used must come in your university exam. So you need to prepare according to them. एक और मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया था ये वाला लाइक a plus b plus c multiply by d का बार. Fine. So that is going to be there. Right. Apart from this, 2:1 multiplexer. This is another symbol of CMOS circuitry that you can use. Okay. Now we come to the today's topic, that is memory latches and register. So there are so many, but we are going to discuss the particular positive edge D latch. इसमें negative edge D latch भी होता है. Fine. And positive edge trigger D register using CMOS. So one latch and one register I am explaining you. It is very good explained in Weste and Neil Weste. So soft copy and the net is available. If you are you can download it and you can go through that. But yes, of course, we are going to discuss these two circuits today. They are important and used to ask as a long answer type questions. Okay. So that is a positive sensitive D latch using CMOS. So first of all, I suggest you to draw the circuit diagram. Then we'll इसमें अपन को दोनों circuits बनाने हैं during positive clock cycle and during negative, and this I am going to explain you in a detail because it is important also. ठीक है. So basically, just draw the circuit diagram and many students can take the screenshot, but you need to be write down that it is constructed using 2 input multiplexer and 2 inverter. And basically it consists of the data input D, clock input, clock and output Qn minus Q. So this is my this is my input. मतलब ये जो है, ये जो circuitry है, if you know that it is nothing but 2:1 multiplexer, just go back. यही है, one input and signal line we are giving. So 2 CMOS is using. Fine. So same thing is there. ये दो CMOS है, एक inverter लगा देगा. 2 input mux we are using. ये जो architecture है 2 CMOS की, this is nothing but your multiplexer. Fine. And 2 inverter we are using. That is consists of the data input D. Fine. So in this particular one, this is my multiplexer and this is my 2 inverter that is going to form my D latch. ठीक है. D latch के क्या definition है? Whatever input is there when my clock is rising it. अब it depends on which particular circuit we have designed. currently we are designing positive sensitive D latch. So whenever positive clock is going to be there, then the signal whatever is in my D, that is going to comes out at the terminal Q, and invert जो है वो minus Q में आ जाए. And when the negative edge will be there, nothing is going to be happen. So this we need to justify and verify by applying positive and negative clock cycle. So I'm giving you 2 minutes. You just draw the circuit, then we'll explain its working. आज अपना CMOS डिजाइनिंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल स्टार्ट विद द लेआउट. जल्दी बनाओ. One CMOS is this, another CMOS is this. Here we are giving D, and invert of D is coming from this CMOS. ठीक है. So clock इस CMOS में clock जा रहा है और इसमें minus clock is going. And here also in this circuitry, one inverter is missing. That is going to be that it should be here. And this connection is going to be like this. That minus S is going here and S is coming to the first. I think you have drawn, na? Okay. बना लिया आंचल, शिवांगी, सिद्धार्थ, वंदना. Okay. Fine. Now, first of all, हम क्या कर रहे हैं इसमें? Okay. Now, why it is called positive sensitive D latch? So this is known as level sensitive latch. Why it is so? Because the state of the output is depend on the level of clock signal. Means my latch is all about depend on the level whether it is a positive sensitive or a negative sensitive clock signal. The latch shown is a positive level sensitive latch. By reversing the control connection to the multiplexer, what is going to be there? A negative level sensitive latch can be constructed. Means particularly ये जो circuit है इसमें अगर हम control connection को reverse कर दें, means ये जो inverter है, if I connect instead of in the second MOS, if I will just make it to the first CMOS, then it is going to be the negative sensitive D latch. Okay. Now, first of all, positive sensitive D latch में during when my clock is going to be 1, what will be the circuit? Clock जब मेरी यहाँ पे 1 रहेगी, here it is going 1 and यहाँ पर 1 का क्या हो गया? 0. So how the circuit will be? Where my clock is going 1, in that the CMOS will act as a closed circuit. And whereas यहाँ 1 का 0 हो गया तो this particular CMOS will act as a open circuit. So in this time Q is set to D and minus Q is set to minus D. Means D जो है whatever D is there, it will come here. Fine. And this again going to invert and it is going to give minus D here. वापस से यहाँ अगर फीडबैक लूप में हम जाएंगे तो ये माइनस डी जो तुम्हारा है ये यहाँ वापस डी हो जाएगा तो क्यू में हमें क्या मिल रहा है? डी. सो व्हेन माय क्लॉक इज गोइंग टू बी 1, आई एम गेटिंग एट द आउटपुट टर्मिनल डी. दैट यू नीड टू जस्टिफाई. यहाँ हमें क्या मिल गया? डी. हियर वी आर गेटिंग minus D. This minus D again feedbacking here and coming. ठीक है. So that is a positive sensitive D latch using CMOS. You need to draw this. Then again जब मेरी clock 0 रहेगी, then what the operation is going to be changed. Then just vice versa हो जाएगा. This is going to be open circuit. This is closed. But I suggest you to draw because many a time you feel कि बहुत easy circuit है. But when it asks to exam, so you just be nullify. और इस तरह से पूरा इसको एनोट करो आप, लाइक डी, दिस डी इज आफ्टर इन्वर्टिंग, दिस इज माइनस डी, फीडबैक लूप में ये माइनस डी यहाँ आया, बट फॉर्चुनेटली क्यू में हमें डी मिल गया. When you complete the diagram and the working, please do inform. Okay, now when my clock is going to be 0, what is going to be happen? Clock 0 यहाँ जाएगी तो this is going to be open circuit, ये closed circuit हो जाएगा. So clock is set to 0, then feedback path around the inverter pair that is going to be established. So this caused current state of Q to be stored. While clock 0 is input is D is ignored. So what is going to be there? That D यहाँ पर है, so this D is going to be open circuit because clock is 0 और यहाँ clock invert होके जा रही है, so here it clock become 1. So nothing from the input side is going towards here, so there will be 0. Nothing is going to be there, means input is going to be ignored this part. When nothing is there, then how could it going to be invert? It is not going to invert. So when my clock is 0, like output is just whatever be the previous value वही आएगी, but जो D की जो recent value रहेगी that is not going to become, hence it is proved कि हमारा positive sensitive delay circuit. बना लो इसको भी. Working need not to be written, otherwise you can write down in a short form, but you need to मतलब ये आना चाहिए. और इसी डी लैच को हम अब आगे जो पॉजिटिव सेंसिटिव रजिस्टर्स बनाएंगे, that is also again going to be formed by using D latch. So one positive sensitive D latch use करेंगे, one negative sensitive D latch, and a series of those circuit can be move on further for however number of bit register you are required. Yeah. Have you drawn this, beta? Just let me know so that we'll move further. Okay, so that's it about the positive sensitive delay. This was the original circuit. During the positive clock cycle, this was the things that whatever in the D we are getting at the Q. And when the clock is 0, it is open circuit, nothing is going to be moved further. So it is give us the nothing. Okay. Now next is a positive age trigger D register using CMOS. So as I told you, ये जो circuit है C, ये क्या है हमारा positive sensitive है. Either you can add one more inverter or just you reverse this circuit. So ये जो circuit है, that is the negative sensitive D latch. So our register is going to be formed by one negative D latch and one positive sensitive delatch. How we did? ये positive sensitive delatch है. Same circuit is here. What we did? This clock इसमें positive जा रही है और यहाँ हमने एक inverter लगाया. And this could be more feasible अगर हम ये दोनों ही इस inverter की direction यहाँ कर दें, and that is also going to be right. But ये भी मतलब बुक में तुम्हारी इस तरह से दिया है, बट व्हाट आई फील इंस्टेड ऑफ टू इन्वर्टर वन इन्वर्टर कुड बी जस्टिफाई एंड वी कैन जस्ट चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ दिस इन्वर्टर. ठीक है. सो अगेन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर्म, जस्ट यू मेक द डायग्राम. इसमें भी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, इसमें हमें यही बताना रहेगा ड्यूरिंग द पॉजिटिव क्लॉक हाउ वी आर गेट, मतलब पॉजिटिव सेंसिटिव है तो इसमें पर्टिकुलरली डी रजिस्टर का तो फंक्शनिंग यूज में आ रही है, बट यस रजिस्टर में क्या रहेगा, व्हेन माय क्लॉक इज गोइंग टू बी 1, व्हाटएवर इज एन इनपुट बिट वो फर्दर आगे मूव होगी, और नेगेटिव में नो ऑपरेशन इज गोइंग टू बी परफॉर्म. So this is the definition of my register, that combining two level sensitive D latch, like one is a positive and another is a negative latch, we make the positive edge trigger D register using CMOS. ठीक है, बना लो इस सर्किट को. अब इन दैट यू कैन डू. अब मैं नेक्स्ट में मैं दोनों साइक्लिंग के लिए इतना टाइम नहीं दे पाऊंगी बिकॉज वी विल मूव फर्दर. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, इफ यू आर मेकिंग द डायग्राम फ्रॉम ब्लू पेन, so you can use the multi-color font, like particularly pan, so that by जैसे मैंने कहा पॉजिटिव क्लॉक, तो पॉजिटिव में ग्रीन कलर से सारे चेंजेस कर दिए. बेसिकली चेंजेस विल बी हैपन ऑन दिस 4 CMOSes. और फिर एक कलर ले लिया ब्लैक से तुम नेगेटिव एज क्लॉक में जिसको ओपन और शॉर्ट करना है, सो दैट विल बी द जस्टिफाई. बना लो चलो फटाफट. ये एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं बेटा, या तो डी लैच पूछेंगे या रजिस्टर. सो यू नीड टू लाइक आई एम नॉट मतलब राइटिंग यू द मोर थ्योरी, बट यू नीड टू बी राइट थ्योरी. लाइक ईच ऑपरेशन जो भी वर्किंग में तुम्हें समझा रही हूँ, दैट यू नीड टू रिटर्न इन अ theoretical, because if 15 marks question will be asked, so you need to justify that 15 marks. So in the both the three diagram is going to be drawn. First the original diagram, second is when clock is 1, then another time when clock is going to be 0, fine, and when clock is 1 and 0, so what are the changes are coming, that you need to explain. Now positive edge में जब मैं clock 0 दे रही हूँ, what operation is going to be C when the clock is low? That is a negative level of sensitive. Minus Q follows the D while the input is slab. Positive latch holds the previous value. So what मतलब इस सर्किट में ये clock जो है हमने 0 कर दी. As we do the clock 0, so what changes are going to be there? Here it will come 1. तो इसमें 1 जा रहा है and here it is again 0 1 0. So this is going to be open circuit, this is going to be closed circuit. Clock 0, so this is going to be open circuit and this is going to be closed circuit. The same thing has been done. When clock is 0, जो clock है उसमें एक इन्वर्टर यहाँ लगा था और एक यहाँ लगा. So clock 0 जो है वो दोनों से इन्वर्ट होके यहाँ तो 0 ही आ रही है तो ये ओपन सर्किट हो गया. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी क्लोज सर्किट. हियर इट इज कमिंग 0, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर CMOS विल एक्ट एज अ ओपन सर्किट और ये वाला जो रहेगा वो क्लोज सर्किट की तरफ रहेगा. सो व्हाट द ऑपरेशन इज गोइंग टू बी देयर, सी ये QM है और ये Q है. सो वट एवर इज माई D दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कम्स आउट हियर. तो ये D जो रहेगा यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, -D. But this -D will not move further because this is an open circuit. So finally at the terminal of Q, I am not getting anything because this terminal is open circuited. Fine. What will happen in the next clock cycle? I will give you time to draw or either you can take the screenshot. ये तो negative clock के time में ऐसा हो रहा है. What will happen during the positive clock cycle? When the clock transit from 0 to 1. So the master मतलब first वाला जो मेरा like particularly latch है, that ceases to sample the input and store the D value at the time of clock transition. तो इसमें particularly क्या होगा, जो वैल्यू मेरी लास्ट ओपन सर्किट के टाइम या नेगेटिव के टाइम स्टोर थी एट द Q -Q टर्मिनल, दैट इज गोइंग टू मूव फर्दर फॉर द स्लैब लैच. ठीक है, सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. जब क्लॉक 1 है ये ओपन सर्किट हो जाएगा, सो नथिंग इज गोइंग टू मूव फर्दर. But yes, of course, last when clock was 0, my last store value was the -D. That it will move further. This -D will approach here. So here it is going to give what? D. So finally, what I am getting at this terminal, that is D. Fine. Again, this cycle is going on, keep on repeating. So next वापस negative आएगा, तो जो next value D की है वो यहाँ आके store हो जाएगी. Again, during the positive half cycle, nothing will happen at the master latch, but at the slave terminal what is going to be there, that it will move further here. Hence it is verified that this is forming the register, and as it is a level sensitive, means positive sensitive D latch register, so whenever my clock is going to be 1, then the shifting is going to be changed, or the value of the particular input which I am giving, that is going to be changed. That's it. Okay, so D input is prevented from affecting the output. Why it is so? Because the disconnected from the D. तो जो क्लॉक ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है, अब अगेन हमारा क्लॉक ट्रांजिशन क्या होगा, फ्रॉम 1 to 0 होगा. अगेन स्लेव वाला जो लैच है वो लॉक हो जाएगा एंड मास्टर फ्लिप फ्लॉप विल वर्क ऑन. So in that case, particularly the sampling of the input signal is going to take place again. So this is a clock 0 and clock 1 if I want to follow. So -QM follow D. Q is stored, that is isolated from D. And when my clock is going to be 1, -QM transfer to the Q and Q is still isolated from the charge in the D. So ये clock भी तुम लोग बनाओगे. This much you will done, then 15 marks तुम्हारे पूरे justify होंगे इस तरह से. ठीक है. Now some numerical is going to be there. Already I have given you in the assignment. तो तुम्हें जब डाउट हो यू कैन आस्क मी वाइल क्लासेस. ये सर्किट बना लिया है तुमने. अब ये इधर यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट और ड्रॉ वट एवर यू वांट टू विश, बट इसको बनाओ क्योंकि ये मतलब बेसिक बैकबोन है. अब जैसे मैंने असाइनमेंट में दिया है शायद, जहाँ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू पॉजिटिव एज. सो इन द असाइनमेंट आई सपोज आई हैव गिवन यू नेगेटिव एज ट्रिगर डी लैच या नेगेटिव एज ट्रिगर D-latch, D-register using CMOS. दोनों ही. तो ये तुम्हारा जब क्लॉक 0 है तब है. दिस इज योर मास्टर लैच एंड दिस इज योर स्लेव लैच. ठीक है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्या है, जब मेरी क्लॉक 1 हो रही है, दिस इज अ मास्टर एंड स्लेव, ये लॉक हो जाएगा और ये अनलॉक हो जाएगा. सो जो भी इसकी वैल्यू स्टोर है वो यहाँ है. दैट्स इट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. समझोगे, अंडरस्टैंड करके बनाओगे, सो इट्स वेरी इजी. इफ यू विल जस्ट ग्रैब इट लाइक रटोगे तो ये सर्किट नहीं बनने वाले, क्योंकि फर्दर दिस रजिस्टर इज गोइंग टू बी यूज फॉर 4-bit रजिस्टर एंड ऑल. सो अ सीरीज ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ रजिस्टर इज गोइंग टू बी यूज इन दैट. और ये क्लॉक बना लो. दैट विल मेक योर ऑपरेशन मोर इजी. ठीक है. दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. ये क्लॉक बनाओ. आई एम टेकिंग योर अटेंडेंस and I am giving you 5-minute break. After that we'll start for the sustainable engineering class. Achal, Ashwini, yes beta, please give your
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavna, Mandeep,
Mandeep present, ma'am.
Neha.
Bhavna present, ma'am.
Okay beta, Bhavna. Praveen,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth, Shivangi,
Not present, ma'am.
Vandana.
Vandana present, ma'am.
Okay. So after 5 minutes, we'll start our sustainable engineering class. Okay. मिड टर्म की भी तैयारी रखो. जैसे ही तुम्हारे फाइनल ईयर के सीनियर्स के एग्जाम्स हो जाएंगे आरटीओ के, उसके बाद हो सकते हैं, है ना. ठीक है. ओके. विल स्टार्ट सस्टेनेबल इंजीनियरिंग क्लास विद इन 5 minutes.